Hi. Hi Vidya, so good to see you. Hi Ajay. Hi darling. क्या हाल चाल है? Hi darling. Hi darling. विद्या मैं आपकी दूसरी साड़ी एंड दैट वाइट ड्रेस आई एम गोइंग टू सेंड इट अक्रॉस टुमारो फॉर यू एंड आपको मिल जानी चाहिए जल्दी से. टुमारो आई विल dispatch it from my place, okay? Hi Himanshu. Hi. Do you like what I'm wearing today? Do you like what I'm wearing today? Do you? Hi Munawar. So good to see you. अच्छा लग रहा है जो पहना हुआ है? हाँ बेटा. Let's have some top light. No, it's not nice. Uh-oh. Mm. Ow! Oh, fuck. You see? Ah! The tripod fell on me. Ruko. Sorry, the tripod actually fell on me. Oh, man. Okay, that's tricky. Wait a second. You have to be here. See, ऐसे करके गिर गया मेरे ऊपर ये. अभी मैं इसको. Ouch, ouch. Okay. Go down below. Alrighty, girl. Okay. There we are. Hi. I got these new cushion covers today, so I thought I'd show you. I'll just show them off a bit. Hi, Mohammed. Mm, this is nice. Hannah? No, don't say that. What's up? You want me to change? Already? Really? I know you won't. I know you wouldn't want that. अभी तो मैं खड़ी भी नहीं हुई हूँ. क्या हाल चाल है? कैसे हैं आप लोग? How's it going? Who else is here? Hello. Hello. What's up? How do I look? Hi. See? How's it looking? How do I look? How do I look? You like it, Himanshu? Atta. Shall we start with a song, guys? What should we do? Tell me. I have so many good news is coming your way. You have no idea. अच्छा, by the way, मेरा जो Amazon Prime की सीरीज था ना, उसका शूट बचा है एक्चुअली. थोड़ा सा बचा है, but most of the chunk I have shot for it. Yesterday I was shooting for it and it was so much fun. आपको पता है क्या हुआ? कल ना उन लोगों ने आकर के हमारा शूट रुकवा दिया BMC ने. So we had to stop and आप यकीन नहीं मानेंगे, हमारा शूट था कनेरी केव्स में. कनेरी केव्स इज इन बोरीवली नेशनल पार्क. एंड बोरीवली नेशनल पार्क में जाकर के जब आप कनेरी केव्स में जाते हो ना, सो कम से कम 200 सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ कर के आपको ऊपर जाना होता है. तो हम लोगों का कॉल टाइम था 5:45 AM मॉर्निंग का, पौने 6 बजे का. फिर उसके बाद में हम वहाँ पहुंचे, तैयार हुए. एंड देन पंकज त्रिपाठी केम अराउंड 9:30. बहुत लेट आए, काफी लेट आए, तो हमें उनका वेट करना पड़ा. एंड देन वी वेंट ऑन सेट फॉर अबाउट अबाउट आई गेस 12 बजे. तो 12 बजे दोपहर को हम लोगों ने 200 सीढ़ियां चढ़ी, हम ऊपर तक गए. मैं शूट की बात कर रही हूँ. शूट का सीरीज का नाम है गुलकंदा टेल्स. और वहां पे पहुंचने के बाद में फिर मतलब 15-20 मिनट वी सैट एंड दे गेव अस ग्लूकोज एंड एवरीथिंग. फिर सब हाफ रहे थे. सोचो वहां पे इतनी बड़ी यूनिट कैसे क्रिएट की होगी ना. इट्स अ गुफा एंड उसके अंदर में पूरा राजा का महल है. एक्चुअली नॉट महल, आई मीन उस जमाने का एरिया, सो यू नो हाउ इट लुक्स। प्लस ये जो सीरीज है ये उनकी डायरेक्ट की हुई है जिन्होंने तुम्बाड़ फिल्म डायरेक्ट की थी ना, उनका नाम है राही अनिल भरवे। सो ही इज विजुअली वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, ही इज अमेजिंग। हम लोग वहां पे शूट कर रहे थे, हमारा मतलब सारा शूट खत्म हो गया था, बस एक लास्ट सीन था जिसमें कैमरा शेक हो गया, कैमरा ऐसे करके हिल गया, तो हमें वो वापस लेना था, सिर्फ एक लास्ट शूट, कैन यू बिलीव इट। एंड उतने में बीएमसी वाले आ गए वहां पे, हाफते हाफते आए, एंड दे स्टार्टेड थ्रोइंग एवरीथिंग, मतलब कैमरा जब्त कर लिया, फिर वहां पे जितने भी लैम्प्स थे, लाइट्स थी, सारी जो टीम के लोग थे सबको बाहर भगाना शुरू किया, हमारा शूट जो है वो रुक गया। सो नाउ वील हैव टू गो अनदर डे टू डू द पैच वर्क मे बी। बट सी कितना कुछ होता है, आई एम श्योर बड़ा एक्साइटिंग लगता होगा ना आपको भी ये सब सुनना। एंड देन फिर पंकज सर गए, हाय प्रतीक, एंड देन पंकज सर गए एंड देन ही स्पोक टू द बीएमसी गाय, एंड देन पता चला वो लोग हंस रहे हैं, मतलब दे वर लाफिंग एंड एवरीबॉडी इज अ फैन ऑफ पंकज त्रिपाठी, नो। So it was quite good fun and it was in the taking pictures everything, but हमारा शूट नहीं वापस चालू किया उन लोगों ने। इनफैक्ट आपको पता है परसों भी they came and they took about 50,000 रुपए from the production, and that's when they allowed us to shoot. So yeah, part and parcel. It's not as easy as it looks. Tough है. Do you want me to sing a song for you? Who else is here? Are you not gonna say hi to me? Not gonna say hi to me? Hi. That's sweet. Okay, let's. You want me to change, huh? Hi, Pratik. प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है, प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है। सुनो किसी शायर ने कहा बहुत खूब, मना करे दुनिया लेकिन मेरे महबूब आ ही जाता है, दिल जिस पे आना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है, प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है, हर खुशी से। मुआ। आंखों से तूने ये क्या कह दिया प्रतीक, दिल ये दीवाना है। ना 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 ना, तारा, तारा, रा, 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 छा रहा है अलग सा नशा। How do I look? I expect some really nice compliments. I'm showing you what all I got, and you are not responding to me. See, there's a tag hanging. But it's nice, no? I don't need to change, right? Yeah, the fit is nice. This is fuck. Ah, मेरे को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं, पता ये. It just hurts my hand so much. Wait. अरे लग गया यार ये. How do I look? How do I look? Does it look nice? Huh? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? You like it? Yes or no? Tell me. Come on. You like it, Pratik? I'm thinking of getting a nice shoot done. Is it better now? Are you going to talk to me or not? If you're not going to talk to me, I'm not going to turn around. Hi. Hi, darling. Nice, huh? got a burn injury in my waist, which is going to be fine. Hi. Do you think I'm gaining weight? हाँ, मोटी हो रही हूँ क्या मैं या दुबली हो रही हूँ? दोनों में से कोई एक चीज तो 100% हो रही है, क्योंकि अभी जो मैं इतना बीमार पड़ी रही ना, मेरी मेडिसिन तभी भी चालू है। दिस आई, क्या चल रहा है गाइस? व्हाट्स हैपनिंग? यू नो व्हाट टॉक? व्हाट्स हैपनिंग माय डियर डार्लिंग? वेरी इंडियन, माय गॉड, नॉट टुडे. Hi Kishori. Oh Vidya, sure. You go Vidya, there you go. Mwah. Lots of love. Hi. What's up? Hi Pratik. Mm. Mm. You really want me to change again? You like this shirt better? Yeah, is it so? एक काम करो ना, फिर मुझे 20 स्टिकर्स दो ना, इन केस इफ यू वांट मी टू चेंज अगेन. ये तो मैंने अपनी, मुझे लगा आपने बोला चेंज करना तो मैंने चेंज कर दिया. नाउ आई वुड नीड स्टिकर्स टू चेंज. कम ऑन. यू वांट मी टू चेंज? नजर मत लगाओ मेरी जान. चिराग, 20 स्टिकर्स. 20 stickers, darling. Come on. Hi, Sudeep. Hi, Mohammed. Mohammed, huh? Hi, Rishikesh with the W. That's nice. Numerology, is it? Hmm? Okay. Hi. Mm. Pradeep alone gave me 20 stickers. Good, good, quite good. What do you want me to? I can't wear Indian right now. If you will ask me to wear Indian, I will wear a kurti. Now decide if you want me to wear Indian. I have beautiful kurti. Beautiful. Beautiful pink color. I have two pink colors and one black. So tell me, what do you want me to see in? Curvaceous. Ah, I know what that means. Raja. Hi, Pratik. Hi, Raja. Let's see what's in the wardrobe. Let's see what's in the wardrobe. Hello, 47 people. आपको बात नहीं करनी आज? मेरा एक परफ्यूम खत्म, उसको आप क्या बोलते हैं, और साचे एब्सोल्यूट. दैट वाज माय फेवरेट परफ्यूम. और मैंने ना उसका बॉटल जो है पिछले 5 सालों से बजा के रखा हुआ था, बिकॉज माय एक्स बॉयफ्रेंड गिव इट टू मी. एंड लास्ट उसका साइन था गिफ्ट का, तो मैंने बचा के रखा हुआ था. फिर मैंने आज उसको पूरी अलमीरा में स्प्रे किया एंड आई थ्रो इट अवे. एंड पूरी अलमीरा से ना वही फ्रेग्रेंस आ रहा है, बस साचे एब्सोल्यूट का. दैट्स द मोस्ट सेडक्टिव फ्रेग्रेंस, आई टेल यू गाइस. If you want to gift a perfume to your girlfriend, I think that's the one that you should go for. Would you want me to wear this red color? Oh, let's see, girl. Oh God, wait. No, I want this one. Good. Good choice. Two options. Showing you, Pratik, because you gave me 20 stickers, and other people can also decide. The vote will win. This one is a red top that I got from Dubai. It's very pretty, very deep. Thank you. So one is this. See, deep neck red color. Another one is the classic white baby. Which one? No, not this. That one. You only have two choices, baby. You can't be such chooser. Batao, this one or this one? Choose from the two. Right. No, this is left. Left. Okay, let me do this way. A and B. Which one? A or B? Remember this top or not? This is the same one in the picture. B. This is B. A or B, darling? A or B? Quickly. Tell me, tell me. B. B. Sudeep is saying A. Mohammed is saying B. B is winning till now. You guys are very clever. Aren't you guys clever? B pakka? Should I go with this? Oh my god. Sudeep, you're smart. अभी भी वापस because of Pratik, red is winning. Sudeep की वजह से white was winning. Now we are even. And now Vidya is gonna make sure that I wear B. Is it B or A? Mohammed is also saying B. This is B. Raja, Pratik, B. Really? Are you guys sure? Or A? This is A. Sudeep, क्या हुआ? Ketan is also helping A. Raja is saying B. Sudeep is, oh my god. Okay. Damn. Ah, that's a war here. That's a war here. I want to see who wins. I want to see Raja and Pratik की टीम win करेगी या केतन and Sudeep की टीम win करेगी. Which one? Red? Aman? B is still leading. B again, Pratik, I think. And also जिसके सबसे ज़्यादा stickers होंगे उसके नाम पे मैं ये top change करूँगी. I will consider it as a gift from your side. So as of now, I think I will have to wear B for Pratik and Vidya both. Sudeep and Pratik एक time पे clash हुआ. I'm so sorry. Damn. Ketan. B? What do you suggest? A or B? B? Really? B? Is that what we're leading with? SSK? Hi, Mohan. B? Yeah? आपको पता है मेरे पास एक कॉर्सेट भी है. uh, Sudeep, oh my god, you're not giving up. How sweet are you? How sweet are you? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wear B because B is the winner. I'm so sorry, Sudeep. मैं B पहनने के बाद में I will see if I can wear A with the corset. For that I have to find the corset. Let's see. Hi Ravi. Mwah. Lots of love. B done. Sudeep, चलेगा ना? Yeah, I see Pratik. I see. All right, changing for you, darling. I'm right here. Tell me you can't see anything. And just a slightest of mistake and ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. This is that moment when you want to see me the most. Okay, and I must say, this is a fabulous choice. And it's looking kick-ass. Wow. Do you want to see how I look? darling. How's it looking? Pratik, you like it? Vidya? Ketan, you also opted for this one. And I have a thing for you. Wait. Wait. Yeah. Yes, darling. How's it looking? Beautiful. You like it? Hi. Hi, Chirag. Hey, Sudeep. Like the top? Do you? Hello. Do you want me to Acha, by the way, I got to know that now you're recording the live session from your Zoom app. Really? Have you gotten that bad? Don't do that. Don't do that. It's not nice. It's not ethically correct. Don't do that. Hmm? All right. So now you want me to change to another one? Pradeep, do you like it or you want me to change? Sudeep, what do you want me to do? Tell me. We don't have much time. I have to go. Really, honestly, I'm telling you. Tell me. Hey, Chirag. Raja. Mwah. That's a wrap. Uh, hey, Sudeep. I'm so happy that you're not angry. Mwah. You're so sweet, which is why I'm gonna change just for you this time. Wait, but where is the corset? Where is it? But then how you okay. Check this out. Should I pull it out? Okay. So it's like this. Oh, no. This one. And if it's not any other top that goes with the top thing, I have something. You be there. It's an experiment. You can go horrible. And it's also just me. It's a risk that I'm taking for you. Alrighty. This one. Oh, gosh. This looks fucking bad. Hello. Hi. Right. There we go. Come on, say something. Hello. Say something. You have your comments for this. Hi. How's it looking? You're not interested? You're not interested, are you? All right. Good night, guys. You take care of yourself. I'm gonna go. अटक गया था क्या कैमरा? Thank God. Hi, love guru. So I'm wondering, where did you guys go? Thank you. How's it looking? Nice, no? Hmm? I can be wow. It is. All right, darling. I shall see you soon. Again sometime. I love you so much. Take care of yourself. That's a wrap. Bye. Good night, eh? Good night, Chirag. That's so sweet of you to come again. I love you too, Chirag. Bye, love guru. Bye, Vidya. Ketan. So sweet. Tight hug. Take care of yourself, darling. Hi, Chirag. Hey, Munawar. I love this picture. Munawar, share this picture with Sukanya. Please, I don't have this one. Good night, Akhilesh. Show you more, really. I don't need to show no more. That's it, babe. Gotta go, baby. Now of your life. Yes, I am. Good night. Yes. Adios. Hey, hey, man.